Hi and welcome to my channel once again, Abdul Razak SEO. I teach people how to do marketing free of charge, how to use artificial intelligence, and how to start a side hustle to make passive income free of charge. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build backlinks. And if you don't know what backlinks are, I'm sure if you're interested and you land on this page, you already know what backlinks are. Google use backlinks to rank pages higher on the SERP, that is the search engine results page. And today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity Lab to build high quality backlinks. Backlinks are very expensive, and with the introduction of the AI overview by Google, it makes even building backlinks kind of more complicated, because you can even rank on the first page of Google and still not be found because of the AI results overview. But if you know how to build your backlinks very well, that when Google crawlers crawl your domain or your backlinks in so many different places, that means you are building authority. And by having this authority, it sends signal to Google that your website can be trusted. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity to build high quality backlinks automatically. You don't have to do nothing. This is a tool that is connected with Perplexity Lab and building backlinks automatically for you. So let me show it to you. Here, this is the AI that we are going to use for our Perplexity Lab automatic link building. And let me show it to you. This is the dashboard. And AILinkBoost.com is the AI platform that you can use to build backlinks automatically. So let's start. First of all, I'm using the trial version. So this is the trial version of AI Link Boost link building tool. Here we move on to license activation. Once you are on the page, let's try going to the home page so I can show you step by step how you can build backlinks with Perplexity Lab. So once you are on AI Link Boost, AILinkBoost.com, let's move on to trial, because we are not going to take a look at the features of the website. We just move on to trial. I'm going to show you the trial version, how to build backlinks automatically using Perplexity. All right. So here we are on the dashboard of AI Link Boost. We need to first of all activate our license. To activate the license is being provided by AI Link Boost based on your package. But in this case, we are only using the trial version. So here it says, try the power of our tool with a trial license key. And this is the trial license key. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to use this. So here, the first thing you have to do is just copy this trial key. We have here campaign setup, and by the campaign setup we have source URLs. So that means first of all you have to source the URLs and then move to the next step to activate the license. After activating the license, you go to the next step, which is settings. You activate and save the settings and then move to select AI, that is here the AI engine. After that, you are good to go. You can start running your campaign. So first of all, let me show you. This is the dashboard. And inside the dashboard, you can see here we have proxy rotation, and we also have Google indexing. And by the Google indexing, that means the backlinks that have been built are automatically sent to Google for indexing. And also the proxy rotation, if you are worried about using your IP address, you don't want to be blacklisted by Google, or I don't know, you just want to hide your ass. I'm sorry that I use this word. You just want to hide your identity. You don't want your IP to be seen everywhere. So we have here the proxy rotation. The proxy rotation, what it does is it hides your IP address, so nobody knows your IP address, and your IP address cannot be seen. And also you don't have to worry about buying extra VPN, buying extra IP address to hide your location or whatever. So the VPN is automatically activated in the software, so you don't have to worry about that. And let's see live SEO metrics. So what happened here is that Href, SEMrush, Moz, Majestics are all connected to this tool. So using API. So by attaching the API, it's automatically inbuilt, so you don't have to do nothing. The system is automatic. What happens is that it scans every URL that is being discovered, okay, and it shows you the score of that URL and the backlinks the URL has and the page authority based on Href, SEMrush, Moz, and Majestic. So here, campaign health and performance, it shows you the status, and we have the Google indexing, which has to be activated in the settings. Now let's continue. Let me show it to you. The monitor. This monitors the backlinks that have been built and show you the percentage and how fast the links are being built and the number of days and hours that are left for the backlinks to be built. So, and let's go to the additional settings. Here in the additional settings are kind of different types of backlinks that needs extra package for citations, for guest posts, directory listings, social links, and authority backlinks. With the link intelligence shows you the link type distribution and the domain authority and the domain rating spread. That is showing you everything as the campaign is ongoing. And here we have the anchor text diversity. All right, so the logs shows you what has been done and what is currently ongoing. We have the AI engine. So today's video is about Perplexity, how to use Perplexity Labs to build automatic backlinks. Now back to our settings. Down here we have the discover link opportunity. By the discover link opportunity is where you give your keyword and click on discover URLs. The tool is going to connect with different AI to discover a lot of URLs, which is going to be used for the link insertion campaign. Now let me continue. So the first thing we have to do is let's put on our license. Once you have the license here, what happens is when I click on activate, it's been activated. So depending, we have 50,000 URLs to be run. Now let's go back. Our license is being activated. That is step 1. And if you find this tool useful and want to build backlinks, what you have to do is you have to subscribe to get your license that is going to build real high quality backlinks for your site. Now here you can see important notice. It says run each campaign only once to avoid creating duplicate links, which can negatively impact your SEO. So that means you have to run every campaign once. Now let me show you something in the dashboard. Here it says we have a note. Backlinks will start appearing in tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush after 2 to 4 weeks, or sometimes longer after approval by webmasters. We have no control over this indexing time. A 1 million URL campaign does not guarantee 1 million live links. The final number depends on the success rate of approval. More processing attempts increases the potential for high success rate. So that means we have a database of over 1 million backlinks, so these are being used to build the backlinks. Now let me go back, not to make you confused, because this is a kind of a little bit complicated, Now let's find our URLs to move to the next step. Okay, so let me just see digital marketing. So digital marketing is my keyword that I want to rank for. Now here I click on discover. So what happens, you can see, is connecting to ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Google Gemini, Grok, Kimi2, Perplexity Labs, GenSpark, and moving on to Manus and Google, Bing, and Yahoo. So it's now connecting to all of them. So once it's finished connecting, it starts scanning them. So once it's scanning them, you can see crawling, found 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, analyzing of relevance. So this is a very important aspect of SEO when it comes to marketing, when it comes to Google. So it's now analyzing and discovering thousands of URLs. So all we have to do right now is to wait for the tool to discover all these URLs. So once it's finished discovering these URLs, we can move to the next step. But then before we come back to see if it finishes, it's still continue discovering, we can move on to other features to talk about them. Now let's go to settings. Inside the settings, you see here target domain, your domain.com. So what happened is, because we are using a trial version, we cannot edit this. Nothing happens. We cannot put our domain. We cannot run the link building campaign as if you have a normal package activated or premium license. With the premium license, you can run the link building with your URL. So that is what it is here. And your keyword, your target keyword, they are going to appear here. So the keyword and anchor text are SEO, search engine optimization, SEO agency, SEO marketing, link building, SEO services, backlinks, marketing. So these are the keywords, the target keywords that is being used. And it shows you the relevance and the percentage of each keyword. And here we have AI comment snippets. That is what is being used for blog comments. And possibly, if it is done well, it makes the approval rate go higher. And we are using AI for that. And here, Google Indexing API. So it has to be activated. I made it off. It has to be activated. And you have to see enable proxy rotation is on. Enable detail logging is also on. Reporting frequency, weekly, daily, monthly, and data retention policy, 1 year. Proxy settings, dedicated. All right, so you can change the proxy settings. We can use residential proxy, you can use data center or dedicated. So let's use data center. And now the next thing to do is click on save. It is now saved. Let's go back to license activation and see. Okay, so we have 109,000, 9,000, 110,000, 111,000 is still moving. Let's see. Okay, compiling and filtering final URL list. All right, so here we have 101,347 URLs for digital marketing ready for activation. Now let's go to the top. You can see here the campaign setup. Source URLs is activated, license is activated, and settings, we've just saved it, so it should also be activated. Settings is also activated. So the next thing to do is we move on to AI engine. So here is the AI engine. We are going to activate Perplexity Lab. Now it's disconnected. You can only have access to activate AI engine after completing first 3 steps. Without that and without activating the license, the AI engine cannot be activated. So now we move to and click on Perplexity. Confirm AI engine selection. Are you sure you want to connect with Perplexity Labs? Note, AI Link Boost API will be charged for this action. So that means once you connect to Perplexity, Perplexity is going to charge the API for AI Link Boost. So you are paying for the backlinks and we are paying for the API. So that is how it works. We click on yes, connect. Now it's connecting. We are waiting for the connection to be established. Okay, connected, and it shows us here Perplexity Lab connected and ready. Connectivity level 50%, response length normal. All right, so now we are connected to Perplexity Lab. So let's go back to the activation. You can see configured is activated. Selected AI is also activated. And now we can see the start button is ready. Without finishing all these steps, the start button is not activated. You cannot run the start button. So now what we have to do is to click on the start. So once we click on the start, our link building campaign is going to start. So here is ready, total 0, processed 0, pending URLs 50,000, success rate 0, and we have all these SEO tools ready to be activated. Now let's see. Okay, everything seems to be ready. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go onto the dashboard and click on start. So I'm going to click on start. Okay, I click on start. Now our backlinks are being built. Look at the speed. It's finding all these URLs and building the backlinks and the tools. As it founds, it shows you the domain rating, the from href, semrush, moz, majestic, of all these URLs that are being discovered, right? Because it's connected to the API and they are all working together with moz, href, semrush, majestic, and all the APIs. Everything is connected together. This is a very advanced, high professional tool that is working simultaneously to build you high quality backlinks. And these backlinks helps you to rank high on Google, and these backlinks build authority. You don't have to pay thousands of dollars to SEO agencies, to marketing agencies. We've made this very simple, and this is going to help you to do your marketing professionally. If you are an agency, if you are a freelancer, it doesn't matter. If you have a small business, this is the right tool for you to use and build authority to outrank big companies. Now let me show you some of the features. Campaign health and performance. We are at 85%, and based on the success rate, is counting it for you. And the Google indexing status. The tool is gradually submitting some URLs to Google for indexing. So here we have preparing URLs for submission, submitted URLs is counting. And the reason why it goes back and forth, because sometimes the URLs are not automatically being crawled. So it waits once it is crawled, then it counts after it is crawled. And some are waiting, and the past one, it doesn't mean they have been crawled. It means they are ready to be crawled for indexing. And the failed ones, we can see them. Link process over time is showing us the process and how everything is moving. And live URL discovery and insights. This is also counting. When I click on it, you can see it's counting. It's showing us the live URLs that have been discovered. And here we are connected to Perplexity. So Perplexity is working and discovering all these URLs and sending them to the tool. And the tool is counting them in the recent discovery. It's showing us. And the next step, let's check link intelligence. So these are the link intelligence graph. So in the link intelligence, you can see here source domain. So it's showing us the domain that have been discovered in the link intelligence, and the status, some are failed, some are live, and the anchor text that are being used for the link building, and the type. We have the guest post. All right, and the DADR is also showing us in the link intelligence. Very high professional AI link building tool. If you are interested and find this video interesting, consider subscribing, because this tool is being updated. This is the latest automatic AI link building tool in the system, in the market, that is being built by AI Link Boost. So I'm going to come up with my next video for the new update. So like I said, consider subscribing. And if you are planning on starting a side hustle to take advantage of artificial intelligence, to start marketing, to start passive income online, this is the right channel for you, because I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know about link building, about marketing, about web design. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I know there are a lot of features that I did not discuss in this tool, but then my next video is going to cover a lot of steps. Now there's one thing we didn't talk about, the SEO audit. So let's click on the SEO audit and see what's going to happen. Once you click on the SEO audit, here you see get a complete SEO analysis of your target domain, your domain.com. So if you are a subscribed member, or if you have a premium package, your domain name is going to appear here, and then all you have to do is just click here. When you click here, it's going to take you where you can do instant SEO audit. So you don't have to pay any marketing company to do your SEO analysis report for you, or to check what is wrong with your website. You can do everything here. So let's click on it. It's going to open another window, and this window is going to give us another website from AI Link Boost, where we can run instant audit of our website. And apart from that, we can also get a report and download everything. So let's see. The reason why it is taking a little bit longer is because we put your domain.com, and your domain.com doesn't exist. You can get that. So we can wait and check the right homepage as it loads. All right, a minute. This is loading, and normally, like I said, when you click on it, when you click on run audit, it takes you to the site where you can put in your URL and run instant audit, instant analysis of your website. Now we have it open. So here you can see AI powered SEO audit, and you can see a lot of people are checking their websites here. And here it gives you everything that you need to know about your website. It says instantly analyze your SEO issues. It gives you everything that you need to see about your website, the report and everything. So let's see, let's say SEO.com. We are going to analyze our website is SEO.com. We click on review. So what's happening is the system is going to analyze and show us the analysis report of SEO.com. All right, here we have SEO.com and it's running. And it will give you the screenshot of SEO.com. This is the screenshot of the website for SEO.com, and it says the score is 69. And you can see we have the title tag, the description, and everything that is wrong with the website and what needs to be fixed. But today's video is not about SEO analysis, so that is why I don't want to take so much time to be here on the SEO analysis report. But this is not what I'm going to talk about today. Today's video is about building high quality backlinks using Perplexity Lab. So I'm going back to the tool. If you want to check it out, you can go onto the website and check it out yourself. But then let me go back to the tool and let's go to the FAQ. Here I cannot discuss everything that is here. If you are interested and want to and have questions, just get to AI Link Boost, move on to free trial and go to the FAQ, check it out yourself. All right. So like I said, my next video is going to cover a lot of things. I'm going to teach you everything you only understand if you are into marketing, SEO, and know the value of link building. Then you understand what I'm talking about here. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.